Good afternoon everyone. Happy Friday guys. Today my vlog is walking going to another house doon sa office ni Amo. Umuwi ako doon kasi maglaba ako. Today is Friday everyone. Maulan ang panahon. So I'm just walking around here. This way is Lumping guys, and there in the school, Memorial School College. You can see there. So kung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, can you click the button below and kalimbang guys. Thank you for coming and watching my own videos. Thank you so much. Ulan, hindi pwede magsapatos mabasa. Okay guys, so maya sakay siya ng tricycle. Siyempre yung zona ni BBM Padilla, sisiraan nila. Sibas-busin, sisiraan nila. Hindi ko alam kung saan kusina. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.